for today's video mga kabiyok pagneras, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Pagpato ng Sini Loan Laguna, Iliana Maria Aduana, nagpakitang gilas at napakahusay pa sumagot during Bingo Plus Media Interview Day. Hindi lang maganda kundi matalino pa talaga si Iliana at total package candidate. Narito ating panoorin.
We have to give her a flower.
Yeah.
Very good answer. But yeah, I think I deserve to be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I am ready, and within me is again the transcendental qualities that I have of being committed, passionate, and really purposeful. You know, my commitment in this lifetime has allowed me to travel to all 17 regions of our beautiful country, the Philippines, to conduct the 17 community outreaches alongside very fitting 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And I was able to meet a lot of people in those travels that have really shaped me and honed me to be the queen that I am now. And you know, this passion that is really burning from within me has allowed me to achieve my goals whilst making an impact. And you know, I feel like I am in this platform because I serve a greater purpose, which is to be contributory to change and to the community's improvement and developmental progress. And I think those qualities really make up an effectual leader and spokesperson. Now, if I'll be given a chance to be the next Miss Universe Philippines, you know, I'll do my best to be the best Filipino representative to the Miss Universe International stage.
Very well said.
Mga Biyokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.